What? DC! MHRD down, down! Down, 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 down! MHRD down, down! Down, 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 down!
Daki sepangot ki samla puli bat ki noikai jongka North Eastern Hill University hapo ka Shatri jongka Joint Action Committee belat hau daka Khasi Students Union bat ka Meghalaya Postgraduate Students Union kilami banyat patba hapo ka Phalau jongka tega sekolah ba hakash pautrik nailur bandawa nak sarkar keme bakan thungno eo Vice Chancellor Bapura nak ni sekolah ba ka jingmi patba kini ki samla puli ka dai hadian baka sarkar keme lingba ka Ministry of Human Resources Development kadang skap menti watla kani skul ba kamshim la don satya ya Vice Chancellor Bapura la arts nementa kabawanra kajing yaki haki babon kiliang namar ba yakni skul ba la panya do way ne kino hikai babat kumu acting Vice Chancellor hakaba umla banchim ya kanu karai halor kajing dowa ka jongki nalor kani ulong ba ka way kamat ka ba ki shemjing ka dei balada ki pas nakani skul ba ki babon kinat rekam kim itho ya ka sernot jongki namar kampat long kababyang tang nakadaw ba kimyo eo Vice Chancellor Bapura kini kisamla puli kila dawa nakatnat Human Resources Development ba kan le klo ya kini ka kam ka bala sa teng la arts nementa khanang ba kan wengno ya kini ka jing ka ba ki kendo.
The students to cooperate with us and join hands with us. We are saying that we make this as a national importance if the government does not respond our request. We make this as a national importance if the government doesn't respond our request. By saying this, we are not scaring the government. We are here to, as a student, to study, but not to fight. But if the government forces us to fight, then we are ready to do that. Are you ready to do that?
Di kajing don jongi mentakasngi kalau kum kandak kajing persya ya kajing serap jong ka central government lemah ka Ministry of HRD ya kajing dawa ki bangil abo Ahmad jongki kumbasis na mensyua di ya KGC la form kumbansu benrap yang sisir ya KGC hi la form da ka Khasi Students Union ka Meghalaya Postgraduate Students Union hapo ka Shatri jong ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union dei hadian ba ki kena ki samla puli ki laut ki lanam bat kilawan nak kapor hangi kinong kitkam kinong yalam banut ya kijing ki hadian bangil approach ki higher authorities ya ka administration ya registrar kei kadau ko BKI kalong bet ba ngimla mensim decision namar ba ngidai tangki acting ngidan you acting Vice Chancellor ngidan acting registrar acting controller bat kumta terter kimla banai ki decision ki ba penhun ya kijing dawa kijongi bat dei lor kata kanorem kala penbor ya ki students ban yami patba bat bangin form no ikni committee namar ba kapor kala dir namar ba mental adai asnam tam bangil hamdan shu permanent visi